city life because in village life because in COVID-19 every city people came to village to live in there.
So firstly, I want to question all the answer the all the questions. So first question is this. So first question is this: the online classes. Listen me. The online classes are buying in village. So how can you buy it with cash? There is no opportunity to buy the online classes by cash. There is the only the thing is bank or in online payment. How can you buy it with cash? No, there is no possibilities. So there is only cash in a village area. There is no banks. There is no online shopping apps. So how can they buy? How can they buy online classes? And if
how can you say this?
Sir,
In each and every
sir, let me
village,
complete.
in each and every village
Let me
there are
complete.
banks.
Sir, let me complete. There is no bank. In higher cities, village there is banks, but there is in Khagas areas there is no banks. And sir, 1 minute.
Right.
I have to complete.
Okay.
And second one, and if I talk about the online coaching, so there is if they study in online coaching, so how they pass their high school and 12th class board examinations? So how can you say that online coaching
Right.
goes?
Then, do you have any answer? Can you give the answer? Who can give the answer from this side?
I can.
Who is ready to fight? Who is ready to fight? You is ready to fight. Who is ready to fight? Mr. Virat, kill them all. This is now pre-zone.
So how can you say that Khaga doesn't have bank? Khaga has bank, for example, ICICI, SBI and BOB. Khaga have bank. How can you say that?
So brother, I think brother.
He said that areas like Khaga
Brother.
doesn't have bank. Why?
Brother, let me complete. Khaga is city, not a village. Village is like that. Bhogalpur, Iskuri, Chauraha. This is called village. Not Khaga is not village. Khaga is not village.
Vegetables with chemicals in it. We are
Okay.
getting pure food. We are getting pure air. We don't need air purifier.
Okay. And in emergency condition, how can you in immediate medical resources? How can you get emergency medical resources in village? In city, in the 100-meter. There is hospitals and many more medical stores. How can you say that there is no possibilities of air? Air is only for lungs. And if I talk about the hospital, so there is whole body treatment in the hospital, not lungs.
So if you
All
will,
right. Our hand over Bebes. Yes, you keep on killing.
so if you will die from that air, so what will you do of your resources?
What will you do?
Repeat
What
question.
resources? Who will give the answer from this
Repeat.
side? This is the matter of your respect. इज्जत का सवाल है बाबू. कौन बचाएगा इसे? माही. Yes, now. Please fast. Don't waste time. What is this? Yes. Yes, answer. No answer. No speaking. He has spoken already. Now you have to put new point or otherwise give the answer. That question.
Let me know if there is a person in your family and he is suffering from
Take it closer.
he has a miserable condition. So if he don't have a much time for he had doesn't time to go there in a city and he is living in a village. So what will you do in that time?
Right.
So
So
how
so that's not the problem of ours. That is a problem of government. If government is not building
Right.
hospitals in the village, so how can you say that? What is our problem?
let me complete. What will you do for your family members? Leave them.
No, I will not leave them. Leave them. I will go to a government hospital because if private hospital is not there, government hospital is there.
But in government hospital, there are no facilities in government hospitals. So what will you do?
Our village lies in your district, not in our own district.
Right. How can you say this? Yes. Give answer. Hand over to Suchi. Yes. Stand up. Sorry. Stand up. Stand up. Fast.
Can
Right.
you say that city life is better?
City life provides you many types of fatality. Like if no one is your home, you can eat very well. There are many types of shop like Domino's, Swiggy. You can order it and within 5 minutes you get your food.
Domino kills our liver. Domino kills our digestive system. How can you say this? Arohi, fast. Stand up. It's on already. You are very cheap. What is this? Come on.
So you are saying that dominoes are there, but in village, the ladies are know how to cook it. There are many facilities in village.
They don't prepare because of there are many types of tools like oven and many types of things are available. There is no available in village type like sprinkles and any types of spices is not available in village life. There are many malls in city life. You can buy it everywhere because there are many malls and there are many big specialist doctor are
How
there.
can you say, Suchi, look at this girl. She is completely healthy. She lives in a village. And look at yourself. You are living in Khaga. How can you say this?
I'm also
We are not
living
agree.
in village.
We are not agree. We are not agree. She is also living in a village. She is also living. Yes, come on, please now. Kill now.
But
Fast,
the
please.
British are very rich and they have weapons for
Please,
for killing us.
please.
So the British are very rich. They have weapons for killing our Indians. But the Indians take a sword and kill all the British. So how can you say that the British?
Suppose that I give an example that someone is an heart attack in your someone's family. So there is no any cardiologist in village life.
Right. Let them kill Popsy. Thank you for this. Please. Now you will get the chance again. Yes, Popsy kill.
So the person is living in first floor and the second floor. Early person died. The first floor person don't show their sympathy and he put DJ loudly and he saying that I will not slow it. That's the sympathy of our city. How can you say that city is?
Excuse me, if you are saying the
Which type of song they are playing? Yes.
रात का सीन बना ले.
Oh my God! It's not a matter of that having fun. This is the reality. In city, people they don't have sympathy. They are living in the floor wise. They are living floor wise. First floor, suppose that someone died, but second floor DJ is going on, birthday is going on, and there the song. Which song is there? And the first floor people are weeping. This is happening only in the city. So village life is.
So how can you say that about the sympathy? If you are living in the village life, even you have no facilities, likewise you cannot study, you have not to play for the role to you can go in the hospitals and many of the varieties you cannot take the advantage and even you cannot study in the aborts. How could you say?
I cannot study, but I did. For example, in the village of Bihar, Meragaon, we have 5,000 people. They were not in the 100 highest IPS. Also, this is called the factory of IS. I have an example of city where the 100 IS.
So excuse me, how could you say that?
No, it's without any facility, without any organization.
How can you say that there was no any facilities like there was even the?
Our facility of village. How can you take our facility in village?
Sir, actually I want.
Only study, and you have to study only civil to get hour for become an IS officer. And if you are study from your phone, so your eye problem will be come.
He studies by who's not his phone. I took example, you ask Super 30 movie, sir has car for the company, but he is not go and
If you live in
Excuse me, if you are saying that there is no of the call frame, so how could you say that, Revan?
But not, it is talent and how can you live by the book, how can you observe not, how can you be the teacher, you can be known by how you can...
Sir, excuse me, sir, what is the way I am a student?
If you have ability, you can understand more and better than the teacher.
Okay. Give me example. The person who study with only books, not only in a teacher. Tell
I
me.
cannot remember the name, but you
How
are-
then? Why?
I don't remember the name, but you are Super 30 movie. Yes, I let that.
I am not believing any logical point. Tell me any logical point which is
Logical Super 30 movie is based on real story. Manoj sir, who taught 730 students and all.
It is unique. I am talking about all the person who is able to forgetting.
He has ability. Everyone has not ability. Okay, all cities, all.
Every person is not equal, brother. Every person is not equal.
Distance, make the distance here. You are even boy or girl.
I study here.
A crocodile eat them and very lonely. How can you say a village life? And please, I am not speaking. So let me complete. There is example, and in the case of happen in Bahrain, there is 14-year-old boy and village life. A crocodile eat them very well. Everyone shocked when the crocodile tried him and eat them. How can you say that village life is better?
It is not that the child is innocent. He don't know what is there, but this is the mistakes of the government that is not.
Because of rivers, because of village life, people do not problem of the government. In every government we can, you are saying the point of the government. Likewise, government is not providing it, so you can become the how are you unemployment? It is not the matter of it. Excuse me, just completing the point. Excuse me, just 1 second. Just complete my point. That how you are in every point saying that government is not providing this, government is not providing. Just tell me
nothing. How could you say why they are becoming want to doctor in the abroad of the city, not in the or not in the village?
There is.
You say that government didn't provide anything. So how can you say that government recently provides the hydrogen train for the people? They were from Haryana.
See, yes.
So let me tell you,
See, it's
there
happening.
is a man, Sonam
Yes.
Wangchuk, in a city, and he is lying from 17 days.
So you-
And no government is
Okay.
taking action, and they are not removing the Minister of Education. Even he died.
Wait from the boys said they are waiting. Listen, they are calling, give me.
Yeah, village में
If you want to say, I wanted to say that you are if village is a life, if village is a simple life of reflection, but city life is the engine of the life. It provides us a opportunity of success.
Oh my God.
Wife kills the husband, husband kills the wife.
Oh, wife kills the husband, but what is the condition of village life? What is the condition of village women? They are what is the condition of village women? The condition of village life, village women is very bad. Because here You know-
If you want any stuff, you will go to village, not a village shop. You will not want a village shop because you want a stylish shop, so you will go city and shop. So you want is village life.
Very
You
good.
want is village life. City life.
Excuse me, you in city you will get quantity, but in village you will get quality.
How can you say that? How can you say that there is a quality?
How can you say that there is no quality?
So how can
you you come in here because of quality. He is not your village have a quality. You can come here now.
So our topic is not advertisement or quality. Our topic is city or village.
I don't say it advertisement. I say in the city life. My topic is city life, not advertisement.
I am speaking. So I want to speak about that voice that she has said that if you
City has qualities.
The man is calling. Yes, no. Yes, the man is calling. The man is crying. The man is crying. About the profits and this type of the manufacturing. Yes.
You cut the trees, you kill the animals for your profit.
You kill that.
You have to say every citizen are same. But what is the condition of village? They are for his benefit. They are cutting the trees for his agriculturing. What are you want to say? You are totally wrong. It is not. It's not right.
Anybody else would like to say? Mic there.
You are saying that
Firstly, listen to me. As she is saying that village people are cutting trees for their agriculture. So tell me when you are hungry, will you eat the meat produced by the
नहीं, you are saying that
Okay, there is no any brand. There is no any brand in village life. If you want to any brand, you cheap in village life.
you are also you are also using
Listen, yes. One point.
you are saying that only citizens cutting the trees, but it's not so, because you are also using the products which were made in city, because the manufacturers are there in city, but you are wasting the products.
There is no any brands in village life. If you want any Puma and Nike, you must hear the name of Puma, Nike and Adidas. You will not buy this in any village.
Let me inform you, you should listen to your opponent and only pass your point. Otherwise, you will just keep on speaking and you will not listen. You will not care that whether the opponent is listening or not. Firstly,
At last, Izzat is there for Neha. Sit down, please.
Sir, firstly, let me complete.
Yeah, you can.
Sir, as
Nobody
she
is
said
stopping
that-
you. You
as
can.
she said that for agriculture, village people are cutting trees. So when they are hungry, will they eat the wheat produced by field or will they eat the walls of the building?
Wow.
Because of
Okay, Neha is there. Neha, yes. Neha, what do you want?
if you want if there is no any
We are
political,
taking
your food is
personally,
no
yeah.
any selling. Your point of your food
Oh,
is not
no.
destroyed.
This
Firstly,
is-
let me tell you the fruit which are available in supermarket, they are all stales.
It's because this is not all from the village. They have the very own
Speak up. You have mic.
Sir,
You are right.
as one of the girls said that they are using fertilizer pharmaceutical. So let me tell you
Yes,
all.
she also a girl. She wants to say something to you.
Sir,
Please, please,
sir,
one,
please, let
only
me-
30
sir, let me
seconds.
complete.
Please,
Sir, please.
30 seconds only. Yes, speak up.
In city life there is no problem of unemployment because the,
Right, very good. Money, yes. Sit now. Yeah, you can.
Sir, firstly,
You can,
a few
yeah.
minutes ago, Miss
Huh.
Princey said that
Oh,
village
Princey, same village, Kisai, kill now.
village people are not.
Princey, only one sentence,
Sir,
very
let
good.
me tell her that she is studying in her village, right? And she
I'm here, I'm learning, sorry.
You are studying or not? You are a topper without studying, just sleeping, eating, and you become topper.
Listen.
All right, very good. What
I
is
can
this?
study because it is a town, not a city.
Why are you doing that?
Hello. Risu want to say only, listen, Risu want to say only 3 words. Excuse me. Popsy, Risu want to say only 3 words, please. Yes.
So there are many facilities for city life like
Like
hospital and schools and
Okay, like I understand.
debate is over. Stop, Vaishnavi. All you want, wait. Listen on your she wants to say something. Yeah. Excuse. You will speak.
why are you come here? There are many schools in your village, but